Hello students, you are warmly welcome to my YouTube channel Education WAMH. In this video, I am going to discuss with you about the scientific calculator lesson in grade 9. Learning how to use a scientific calculator correctly is very important not only for your lesson but also for your higher education, because in higher studies we use a scientific calculator a lot. Since ancient times, humans have used various methods to do their calculations. The first mechanical calculator was invented by French mathematician Blaise Pascal. In 1883, Charles Babbage introduced a more advanced calculator. With the development of electronics, modern compact calculators were invented. In present, there are two types of calculators. They are the ordinary calculator and the scientific calculator. By using ordinary calculators, normal mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and also square roots can be performed. But by using the scientific calculators, advanced operations such as any power of a number, any root of a number can be done. In this lesson, we are mainly discussing about the process of the scientific calculator. First, let's learn about the keys in the scientific calculator that we need for the lesson in grade 9. To power on the calculator, we are using this on key. Here we can see the on key on the top of the keyboard. Then, like in the ordinary calculator, we have numbers. Here are the numbers. Then we have the decimal point key and also the equal sign key. We are using that to get an answer. Then these are the main mathematical operations that we can see in the scientific calculator as well as the ordinary calculator. Then if we have done a mistake when typing numbers, we can use the DEL key and delete the numbers from the end. If I take an example, think I have done a mistake of typing 6 here, then I can use the del key and delete the number 6 here. Then we can use the percentage sign above the equal sign to take a percentage. Here above the equal key, equal sign key, we have the percentage key. By the square root key, we can get a square root of a number, and from the x squared key, we can get a square of a number. Then above the x squared key, we have x cubed key. From using that, we can get a third power of a number. Then after calculation, if we want to do another calculation, we can use the on key or AC key and get the key dashboard to 0. Then if we want to power off the calculator, then we have to press shift key and after that AC key. Now let's learn how to do the calculations related to the main mathematical operations by using the scientific calculator. When doing a calculation, we have to show it in a flow chart using a separate cage for each key we press in the scientific calculator. Then among the cages we are using arrows and completing the flow chart. First question, we are given this 47 minus 34 plus 20. So this is the flow chart that we have to write when performing this on the scientific calculator. So we have to first press on the on key, then 47 minus 34 plus 20. Then the answer, to get the answer, we have to again put the press on the equal sign. Then the answer will be 33. Then the second question, we are given 3.52 plus 27.7. This is the flowchart that we have to draw here. First we have to press on the on key, then 3.52 plus 27.7, then again on the equal sign key. Then the answer is 31.22. Then the third sum, we are given 5 plus 6 divide 2 plus 4 multiply 5. First we have to press on the on key. This is the flow chart. Then 5 plus 6 divide 2, then plus 4 multiply 5. To take the answer, equal sign key. Then the answer is 28. Then we'll learn how to use the percentage sign key. Our first percentage is, we'll take this one, 3/4. How to convert 3/4 to the percentage? First, this is the flow chart. First we have to press on the on key, then 3 divide by 4, then the answer is 75. Answer is 75%. Then second question for percentages. 120 meters as a percentage of 600 meters. 120 meters as a percentage of 600 meters. How to take it? This is a flow chart that we have to draw here. First we have to press on the on key, then 120 divide by 600. Then you have to perform it. The answer will be 5%. Then our third question with the percentage. We are given this 428 plus 627 multiplied by 5%. This is the flow chart. 428 plus then 10.55. 10.55 is the answer. Then we'll learn how to perform the x squared key. First question, 15 squared. This is the flow chart we have to draw here. On key, then 15. To take the x squared, we have to press on this x squared key. Then the answer 225. Then the second question, 5.3 squared. Again on the on key, then 5.3, then x squared key. 28.09. This is the flow chart that we have to draw. Then the third one. 9 squared minus 3 squared. This is the flow chart. On key, then 9 squared minus 3 squared, then equal 72 is the answer. Now let's learn how to perform the square root key. Our first sum is square root of 36. Square root of 36. How to do that? There's a small difference here. When performing the square root key, first we have to press on the square root key before typing the number. First on key, this is a flow chart. On key, then the square root. Here this is the square root key. Square root of 36. Then equal sign. Then the answer is 6. Then another one, second question about the square root. Square root of 1444. How to perform that? On key, then the square root key 1444 equal sign. Answer is 38. Then the third question, square root of 5.76. On key, then the square root key 5.76. Answer equal sign. 2.4 is the answer. Now let's discuss the last sum using the square root. Square root of 18.49 minus 2. We can perform it in two ways. In the first method, we can use this flow chart. That means we can first take the answer of 18.49 minus 2. 18.49 minus 2. The answer is 16.49. Then we are pressing on the square root key. Then we have to type this answer within the square root. 16.49. Then again the equal sign. The answer is 4.06. In the second method, we can use brackets. First pressing on the square root key, then we have to press on the bracket key, opening bracket. Then 18.49 minus 2, then we have to close the bracket, then equal sign. Then we get the same answer, 4.06.